What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty is not going to be a very long one. I know I always say that and then it ends up turning into a long one, but really this is pretty straightforward. So what we're going to talk about is a situation where, like today, we need to move some of these trees around. And I know a lot of people, especially rookies, will come at this and you know what, we're going to line up, we're going to get our blade nice and square to the ground, and then we're going to be king dingling operator here, and we're going to really work our hydraulics, and we're going to keep our blade just above the ground, and man, look at what a great job we're doing. And we can absolutely do that, but the problem is one little misjudge and you are now gouging, you're rolling a bunch of material along with whatever you wanted to move out of the way. And I know this is going to seem super straightforward and super obvious, but instead of doing that, really, what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle and tilt my blade all the way so that I'm only focused on one tip. And right now, I'm just arbitrarily picking my right tip. So I'm going to put that tip down and I'm going to put it all the way forward. And then I'm not even going to pay attention to what's going on here on the left, because it doesn't matter. I now have that blade tip up out of the way, so I don't have to worry about it. And now all I need to do is go up here to my log and hit it somewhere close to the center, and I'm only worried about what I'm doing with the log. I don't have to worry about the left side of my blade at all, and I can position this really well without having to worry about anything else. And so you can see that reduces a lot of the workload on what I'm having to do, because I'm not having to look back, forth, as you guys all know we have to do in dozers when you're running, because you got to worry about both sides of your blade. We just took 50% of our workload out of play, because all we're worried about now is our right tip. And we can go over here and we can get really delicate with it. Oh, look at that. I just want to put this guy right up here. Oh, that's no problem. And I'm not worried about gouging, because I just did that. Boom. So look at there. I said I was going to be quick and it was going to be a very short one today, and I'm going to hold true to that, because that's it. That's all there is to it. So as always, guys, don't get locked inside of a box. When you're learning to operate, it's so easy to put yourself in a mental box to where, well, it's a dozer, which means the blade only pushes when it's flat to the ground. No, manipulate that tool however you need to get your objective done. That's the way you need to think about dirt work. So as always, I hope this has been helpful, and we'll catch you guys on the next Down and Dirty.